Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called scare tactics with regard to Thai work permits. Thought of making this video after reading a recent comment on one of our prior videos, quoting directly, "The attorney makes it seem as if you wanted to play music at a cafe, you could be deported because that was considered quote-unquote work. This sounds like scare tactics." Well, I can assure you it's not. I've done the legal analysis in other videos where we go through the legal definition of work in Thailand, and it's pretty broad. It's so broad that virtually anything could be considered work. Look, I'm not trying to engage in scare tactics with people. What I'm trying to do is provide some information out there because people presume they know what's going on, especially new people. It's weird. It's interesting. I liken it to the sort of Dunning-Kruger effect where people that are new don't know what they don't know. The longer you're in Thailand, the more you realize how little you know about Thailand. I find this to be the case day after day, year after year of living here. The longer I'm here, I sort of realize, wow, I don't know what I don't know about a lot of different topics. And again, this is why I do hammer home on this channel a lot regarding work authorization, because it's something where I've seen many people run into really serious problems that they were otherwise quite complacent about up until they had the problem, where they just kind of were just, coasting along, everything's going good, sort of fat, dumb, and happy, as they say, and then boom, they get a work permit violation, which leads to a deportation, which then leads to a blacklisting. Seen it happen. It's not pretty. I've seen folks that haven't been able to see their kid for a year or two, for example, because they can't get back into Thailand for that reason. And they have to make arrangements to see their kids. They've got a Thai, half Thai, for example, half American kid, for example, and they have to make arrangements to go to a third country or bring the child over to the United States to see each other because they can't get back into Thailand because they got into some kind of problem. And in this specific case I'm thinking of, they got into a problem over a work authorization violation that resulted in a blacklisting that took quite a while to eventually remedy and get back in the country. And they were actually lucky to get it remedied, frankly, in my opinion. So again, not intended to engage in scare tactics. I just really am trying to inform people, if nothing else.